the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Good.
Crying. Okay, o kanina, ang nino. Raya, nasa na si Nana.
Hindi man lang umiyak.
That's good. Very good, very good. That's good. Sit down.
Are you meant to?
Open. Dami ah. Dami. Ha? Dami sa ha? Cute. Thank you po. Ang dami ah.
Hindi ka nalimutan. Ay, sandal.
Check if this one. I think you didn't check it.
Malaki pa ito kay Sensen. 6 to 9 months. Okay, Ninang Se. Ito pala ang kinalimuan. Cute, bebe ah.
Alf, Daddy, I will press. Mom, is this for bagel?
Ito si Kuya Inigo.
It's for me? Oh my God! Wait,
Sed.
it's for me. Yeah, for you.
Chocolate. Sed. Your name is Krish. Ano sabi nga?
I guess.
So cute. May headband na si Sensen. May clip. Dress.
Daddy, this is yours. It doesn't fit
Laki
me.
pa. Ay, ang laki pa.
Yeah.
Tapos siya malaki
For
pa.
you, it fit to me.
Thank you, Asen. Miss Chris.
Can I hold that? You will not fit. Look at it. It's falling.
Sino yung Kai?
I.
Ha? Ha? Cute.
Mommy. And now and forever. Hey, Mommy.
Sabo.
Chocolate.
Malaki pa.
Mom's this chocolate. I wanna eat.
So cute.
I wanna gonna eat chocolate.
Para na. Thank you.
Thank you. Look at this toy set.
So cute. By the way.
What is this? This is learning. Mommy, this is a cube. Thank you, everybody. Unboxing gift.
Dito Elmer.
Mommy, did you check this already?
Ay, yes. A device na short. Elmer. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Mommy, did you check this?
What's this?
That's an nail.
Baby
So, baby
Susan.
Susan,
No,
from
Kuya Jace.
Kuya Jace.
Ha?
Mommy,
Thank you,
that's
Ninong Biden, Ninong Jason.
Mommy, is this Kuya Jace from Gift to me?
Thank
Is it for
you.
me?
And this is
Mommy.
Tito Pao, Tita Bella, and Kuya Matmat.
Money! I'll open this.
Ito nagbigay sa'yo.
The baby Susan.
Edmond and Miss A. Thank you.
Here's the last one.
Ito pa. Oh. Thank you po.
Too much pesos.
Gram.
There's 100. Thank you po. There's $100.
That's one.
That's it. Unboxing.
Ninong Ray.
It's
And Casey. Thank you.
small gift.
Thank you for giving. Thank you.
Wait. That's it.
Earrings for big girl.
I broke in the box.
Thank you po sa lahat ng nagbigay. Bye-bye. Thank you.